Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. My friend Avenger is missing. Can you help me find Avenger? Let's go. Whoa, it's Bigfoot. Hey Bigfoot, have you seen Avenger? No? Okay. Hey, 32 degrees, have you seen Avenger? No? Okay. Whoa, Earthshaker. Earthshaker, have you seen Avenger? No? Okay, thanks though. Thanks anyways. Hey, SpongeBob, have you seen Avenger? No, not today? Okay, thank you. What? Gangster, what are you doing up there? Have you seen Avenger? You haven't seen Avenger? All the way up there, you still haven't seen Avenger? That's so silly. Thank you. Hey, Jurassic Attack, have you seen Avenger? Oh, you think you saw Avenger the other day? Went that way? Great, thank you. Hey, Monster Mutt Poodle, have you seen Avenger? No, you haven't? Okay, thank you. Hey, Chassis Snapper, have you seen Avenger recently? You haven't? Okay, thank you. Hey, Scooby-Doo, where are you? Have you seen Avenger? No, you haven't? Okay, thank you. Whoa, hey, Race Ace, have you seen Avenger today? You have? You think Avenger went that way? Great, thank you. Hey, Tiger Shark, have you seen Avenger today? No, you haven't? Okay, thank you. Hey, Try and Crush Me, have you seen Avenger? You haven't? Do you know anyone I could talk to that might have seen him? No? Okay, thank you. Hey, Mega Rex, have you seen Avenger? You think Avenger went that way? Okay, thank you. Hey, Roger Dodger, have you seen Avenger? No? Okay, thank you. Hey, we'll trash it all. Have you seen Avenger? No, you haven't? Oh, do you know anyone that has seen Avenger recently? Oh, maybe I can talk to Tiger Shark? Okay, great, thank you. Oh, wow. Hey, Tiger Shark, have you seen Avenger? No? Okay, thank you. Hey, Gravedigger, have you seen Avenger today? Oh, Avenger was over there? Oh, that's cool. Do you know who I should talk to? A Bone Shaker, Higher Education? Great, I'll go talk to them. Hey, Bone Shaker, Higher Education, have you seen Avenger? What? Avenger can't be in the booth. That's too silly. Why would Avenger be in there? Let me check. There's nothing in the boot. Oh, there's Avenger. Hey, Avenger. We finally found you. it took a lot of friends, and let's see how many. 1, a bone shaker, higher education, grave digger, we'll trash it all, radioactive tiger shark, regular tiger shark, race ace, Roger Dodger, Jurassic Attack, Gangster, Bigfoot, Scooby-Doo, Chassis Snapper, Mega Rex, Earth Shaker, 32 degrees, Monster Poodle, SpongeBob, Try and Crush Me. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 friends to find Avenger. I'm glad we found you, Avenger. See you next time.